What do you know about Disney, Will? You know they're in the technology game now. Disney taking a run at Netflix. They didn't say that, but I'm saying that. They got this new Disney Plus bundle, and it's going to cost the same amount as a Netflix subscription. And CEO Bob Iger says it's just a coincidence. We're not coming for the throats of the Netflix personnel. But you got the exact same price. Okay. So what does this mean? Disney's streaming service, set to launch in November, is going to have an option that bundles it with ESPN Plus. So you get Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu for $12.99. Now, Disney, a lot of people, they're like, Disney, what am I talking about? Cartoons? What am I talking about? Lion King? What am I talking about? Disney owns so much stuff. You have no idea. I mean, obviously, the Star Wars stuff. They have the sports stuff via ESPN. Disney owns how much stuff does Disney own in the content game?
Boatload.
That's right. Disney owns a boatload. And they're trying to make a major play, man. If I'm Netflix, I'm like, geez, how many $13 monthly web subscriptions? You just highlighted Marvel. They got Marvel. Sheesh. 20th Century Fox. Lucasfilm. If you're like, how many subscriptions that are $12.99 can a regular person have? They're going to at some point have to pick. Netflix doesn't have the sports piece, do they? They don't have the sports piece. Netflix doesn't have the like baked in inventory of that movie history either. Well, they got to pay every time to license.
They're probably going to take all that Disney stuff away.
Absolutely.
Netflix.
If it's, is it already gone? A lot of it I think might be.
There's no more Pixar movies, Disney movies.
Yeah, so all that stuff comes off
Marvel
Netflix.
movies.
So you effectively hurt the Netflix product as well. Now, we have a quote here from CEO of Disney, Bob Iger. I know that there's a lot that's been speculated about us going after them in reference to Netflix. We think we're uniquely positioned because of the content, because of the brands. We're not. We're looking to occupy space. That's a growth opportunity for the company and growth in terms of consumption. So he's saying, look, it's a different product. Of course, this is what you would say. It's a different product. Don't worry about it. But I'm at this point where I'm like, all the various streaming products that have emerged with their inventory of available content to watch and their price associated, we're hitting that threshold now of like, how many subscriptions can you have? And you have Apple playing in the space. Amazon wants a monthly fee. Your music streaming service wants a monthly fee. YouTube will take a monthly fee from you for premium to remove the ads. Hulu, if you don't bundle it with Disney, will take a monthly fee from you. Netflix, of course, will take a monthly fee from you. Are you going to have all these monthly fees? Then if you have a sports package of some kind, like the MLB network or NHL, NBA network, you're paying for that too. It's like, whoa. I think for a lot of people, there's internet subscription fatigue going on. HBO, that's another one you're supposed to have. So I think people will eventually pick, and I think this will eventually affect Netflix. And I think Disney is just the company that could make a dent. They have that unbelievable inventory. You add ESPN to it, which there's not a lot of online streaming, all-in-one sports packages like ESPN, and you give it for $12.99.
It's catered to like everyone.
It's got a little bit for everyone.
Yeah.
It's got a little bit for everyone. So I think it's going to be a compelling offer. I don't know how everybody feels about Disney. I'm not like, I don't want Netflix to fail. Netflix has been at it for a while. I watch Netflix a lot, but it's definitely a battleground, and we're going to see how it all maps out very soon because it's heating up. And the traditional media powerhouses are recognizing that the future is online and the future is streaming and the future is every device. And now we're starting to see the manifestation of that thought process in the form of Disney Plus, which is happening real soon. And Willie Doo's showing off the Netflix stock here. It ain't so hot at the moment. They did miss their targets recently.